can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done. Are you ready for some more phonics today? We've got Snowy and he's got his box here. Can you say hello to Snowy? Snowy, have you got some things inside your box for us today? Yes, he has, boys and girls. Are you ready to find out what's in Snowy's box? Are you ready? Let's sing our song and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see, what's inside the box. Oh, the box is shaking, boys and girls. Oh, oh, what's this, everyone? It's a football. It's a small football, but it's a football. My turn. Football. Your turn. My turn again. Football. Your turn again. Well done. Put that by Snowy there to keep it nice and safe. He might have a kick around later. And we've also got the World Cup going on as well. So there's lots of football at the moment. Are you ready to see what else is inside the box? Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see, what's inside the box. Oh, box is shaking. It's a fork. Fork. We eat with this. A fork. My turn. Fork. Your turn. My turn again. Fork. Your turn again. Well done. We use this for eating, so we'll pop this. I'm going to pop it next to Snowy here, so we don't want it to hurt anybody. Okay, I think there's only a couple of more things inside the box. Should we find out? Let's sing and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see, what's inside the box. Oh, box having a little shake. It is an M&M container, so it did have M&Ms in it, but it's also got this on the front. Do you know what this is? It's a fan. When it's very, very hot, you turn the fan on. So Miss Rani's pressing this button here, and that's what's making it move and spin around. My turn. Fan. Your turn. My turn again. Fan. Your turn again. Fan. Well done, everybody. So when it's a really hot day, Snowy can use his fan to cool down. I'll pop that nice and close here. I think there's one last thing inside the box. Are you ready? Let's sing and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see, what's inside the box. Oh, box is moving. This is a frying pan. Frying pan. We can make eggs in here. If any of you eat sausages, you can make them in here. So lots of different things that we can use a frying pan for. But who uses a frying pan? Mummies and daddies or grandmas, grandpas, aunties, uncles, adults. Adults are the only people who can use the frying pan. Not you boys and girls, because this has to go on a cooker and the cooker gets hot. Okay, my turn. Frying pan. Your turn. My turn again. Frying pan. Your turn again. Well done. So in our box today, we've had a frying pan, fork, fan, and football. So let's put all these things top of Snowy's box where he can keep them nice and safe. Okay, boys and girls. So today's sound is And look how Miss Rani makes that sound. My front teeth come outside my lip, like that, but inside like this, watch. So they're not like that, but more like this. Those teeth, those front few teeth need to lean on that lip there. It's a very quiet sound. Have a go. It takes a little bit of practice, but you will get there. And have a look if you've got anything that starts with the sound at home. Remember, everyone, one video a day, and I will see you for some more fun with sounds soon. Let's give ourselves a pat on the back. Ready? Well done, me. Well done, everyone. Can you say bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Well done. Can you say bye, everyone? Your turn. Well done, everyone. I'll see you again soon. Bye.